fellow email enthusiasts. I wanted to take some time to chat about the 3 lifecycle programs that your B2B, D2C, or e-com company simply cannot live without. And if you have them in place, great. Perhaps there is a tip or two that you can take from this video. The beauty about lifecycle programs is that these programs trigger at key stages of the customer journey. So while yes, we are sending emails, we are actually meeting the customer where they are. So let's break it down. The first and most important, your new customer welcome program. I cannot emphasize this enough. This program is key to doing the following. Connecting your brand with your new customer. This leads to brand loyalty and higher LTV. Setting expectations. What will it be like for your customer to be a part of your community? Find everything. This is your chance to condition them to know what to expect. Going to be sending emails on Fridays? Let them know, and then let them know why to pay attention. Need them to use their dashboard to self-serve? Great. Show them how. Typically, new customer welcome have about 3 to 5 emails in them. And some go a little longer if the company has a need to onboard the customer a little longer, typically recommended for any company that wants to exhaust features, benefits, SaaS companies, or any sort of healthcare company where we might need to be checking in on side effects, things like that. A few other things to consider. Make sure if you have a referral or loyalty program, you show it off here. And if you want some feedback, this is the perfect series to add a CSAT survey. We typically see about 75% plus response rates on any survey that's included in a welcome series. But one note, this program is not to be confused with a lead opt-in program, typically also referred to as a welcome series. When a lead comes and gives you their email address to subscribe to your community, while you may welcome them, that has a very different intention. So I'm happy to chat about that one separately. Your next program, abandon cart, or if your company has a sign-up process, then abandon sign-up. This program has been around for a very long time and typically has a very methodical structure that you definitely should set up exactly if you're not already. And try that for a little while and test it, and maybe your company's a little different, but always start here. So we're looking at 3 emails here. First, within an hour of abandoning, and timing is key for relevance here. Another comes 24 hours later, then the third 48 or 72 hours later. The biggest mistake of most abandoned cart programs is that they are too pushy. While the company is looking to highlight urgency, they come across way too pushy and the program suffers because of this. So try this formula. Email number 1, helpful but not selling. You've already risked irritating the user by sending the email right away, so being pushy is not an option. Take a moment, highlight benefits, layer in some fear of missing out, etc. Email number 2, we layer in a sense of urgency. Let your shoppers know their carts will expire soon and any discounts associated will no longer be guaranteed. And then email number 3, that is our increased sense of urgency. The third email should incentivize the shopper to complete their purchase. Why not offer a limited time discount or free shipping? This is the perfect time. Hopefully, you'll be able to move these cohorts back to sign up and be on your way. And my final program to review today is a customer win back. In this email world, this program is often confused with a lead re-engagement program. They are so different. The key word comes with customer. We want to think of a customer win back in 2 phases, pre-churn and post-churn. So every company should have churn indicators. These could be a purchase lapse within a set amount of days, or they are unresponsive to renewal communications. Whatever it may be, once these behaviors are identified, you better pause all other communications and get these folks into a let's get you back on track, we're listening kind of program. In about 60% of cases, we're going to get them back engaged and on track. But what about the others? Well, once we know that they have churned, it is time to move them down a very personalized path to A, understand why they churned, and B, try to see what we can do to help them get them back. These programs are life-changing for organizations. Happy to chat more about these via DM or comments. So if you don't have these programs running, now is the time to get to the drawing board or get some help mapping these out. And if you have them running, time to look for optimizations. These are so important and will make or break your lifecycle programs. Until next time, happy emailing.